Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2011 to 2013 Ford F-150. We put a 6-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 20x12 Xtreme Mutter 328s with a negative 44mm offset in a red milled finish, and some 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. Now, if you want more information on this tire and wheel combo, please watch the wheel matchup. The link will be at the end of the video. However, let's talk about our tips and tricks on this lift. In order to install this 6-inch knuckle lift, you will have to disassemble the entire front end of the truck. Suspension-wise, you'll have to take off your lower control arms, your struts, and you'll have to drop your differential. So make sure that you have a good jack or a transmission jack to lower your differential. This is where our first tip comes in to play. While you're cutting your cross members, you have to cut the rear driver's side cross member. The key is to make sure that you cut it properly. Oftentimes we try to save some metal and not cut as much as we need, which is perfectly fine, but more than likely you'll try to put your differential up and the holes on your rear differential bracket will be slanted to the right. If that happens, you need to trim that rear cross member piece a little bit more, and that will allow your cross member to shift more to the left. That's the issue that the majority of people run into. The second tip is make sure you have a reciprocating saw or an angle grinder or something to cut that cross member. Besides that, it's a relatively easy lift. You don't have to disassemble the strut. It just gets a spacer on the top and the knuckles swap right over. All of the other tools you should have at home. So if you have any questions, please leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're wanting some parts, whether it's the tires and the wheels or a lift or fender flares or power boards or regular steps or leather or anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I love the truck, I love the red truck with the black wheels, with the red accents and the tire, I love it all. I don't want to have to go to the dealer, find the truck, bring it to you, get it lifted, tires and wheels. Luckily for you, we're going to start posting the vehicles that are for sale in dealer inventory right now that we have built. What that means is you can go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and there we will have listed all the vehicles that you can go out today and buy at dealers. And the hope would be that you can find the perfect truck, the perfect Jeep, the perfect whatever, call up the dealer and go and buy it today or tomorrow. So again, if you have any questions, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, give us a call or text. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.